9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, top. Et décollage VS26, Galileo SAT M9. Les paramètres à bord sont normaux.
Raphael, that was very impressive. That a ball of fire bolting into
Bonne
the
stabilisation du
sky.
lanceur.
I cannot get tired of it.
I bet.
Like really, it's always very impressive. And this is like, you know, passing through the clouds.
What sort of speed is it going at now?
It is night. You cannot, you can hardly imagine that it's night right now because it's so bright.
It's so bright.
The light. So right now, Soyuz is providing the main thrust for the mission to escape really the gravitational pull of the Earth. And in a few seconds, we should see the separation of the 4 lateral boosters that are surrounding the main core. I mean, you can imagine that in 2 minutes, the Soyuz will have gone from 0 to about 50 kilometers of altitude.
That's quite incredible.
From 0 to 2 kilometers per second.
Bonne stabilisation du lanceur. Tous les paramètres à bord sont normaux.
Like what
this is probably now faster than like a bullet. Faster than a bullet right now. Yeah.
You've got the earpiece. What is the DDO? What did he just say then?
It says that everything is nominal, the trajectory is nominal, so everything's looking good for Soyuz right now. So you can see the light coming from the 4 boosters.
So in 10 seconds, we will have the confirmation, won't we, of the separation of the boosters?
And during this... Yeah, oh wow, you can see it.
We can see it, it's
wow,
incredible.
That's really incredible.
What a sight, Raphael.
Because usually you can see it in daylight, but at night it's very rare.
It's quite incredible.
Yeah.
Séparation des blocs BVGD.
So we should be in some seconds as well.
No, so it's confirmed. It's separated. You saw it, and you can tell that Soyuz is now waiting only, I'm saying only, 100 tons. It was 310 tons before. So it lost 70% of its weight.
Wow, that's quite incredible. But so it's got 4 boosters. Is this specific to Soyuz? Yeah, we can see now on the 3D images. It has